Hey there, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you had a fantastic weekend and happy Monday. Let's get back to business. Let's jump into the charts today and have a quick look. Running slightly behind schedule, so I'll have to push through this one pretty quick. I do apologize for that, but make sure you hang around till the end for an announcement that I will be making. So let's jump over to the calendar first of all and do a quick look ahead for the week and see what's on today. So however, on the calendar here we have no news today, so data, just be more patient. Obviously we always want to take A+ setups, but today is one of those days where we certainly want to ensure that if we're taking a position that it is 100% an A+ setup, as we do not have that volatility injection we like to see from the high impact news. Moving over to Tuesday, 10 a.m. news. So higher probability trading conditions. Wednesday, 8:15 we're kicking off with, and 2 p.m. as well in the afternoon there. So we do have that high impact news. Now this is non-farm payroll week, so we have non-farm payroll on Friday. Many of you may trade non-farm payroll conditions, which means you might not trade the Wednesday, Thursday or Friday of this week. So you're really only going to be looking for opportunities Monday and Tuesday. I will be trading throughout the week. I will be looking for opportunities. On Friday in particular, I will be waiting until after this news drops. It's at 8:30, which is good, before I look for an opportunity. Thursday will be a lower probability sort of day. Okay, it's the day before a large or a high impact news event that has significant impact on the market. So Thursday will likely be the lowest probability conditions this week. All right, let's have a quick look at oil. And we have inventories on Wednesday. Okay, sometimes they shift inventories depending on other news or what's happening around the place, but it is on Wednesday this week at 10:30 in the morning. All right, let's head over to the charts and let's get into this. Okay, so over on NQ, I'm targeting this bearish FEG for a draw liquidity. We've opened the day with displacement, so we have strength here. So I'll be looking for price to reach up into this bearish FEG, and then from there we'll reassess, look for how price reacts to potentially look for a price to run lower off of that bearish FEG. Let's move to the hourly. And yeah, it's quite evident at the moment. Price is bullish with it looks like we're on the right side of the curve here. You can see this sort of thing happening. So it certainly makes sense for us to reach into this daily FEG, this bearish FEG, potentially even push through that level. We have, this low resistance liquidity resting through here as well. Relative equal highs there. So that's what I'll be looking at with price action to start the week on NQ. So bullish for NQ. Let's jump over to ES. I would say we'll have a similar outlook here. Bearish FEG on the daily. Open the day with displacement. So again, looking for price to reach up into this bearish FEG. On the hourly, painting the same picture here. Sell side, buy side, low resistance liquidity, equal highs, relative equal highs with low resistance liquidity. We can look for our standard deviation, see where that reaches up to, and you can see there. So we might see price reach and mitigate this bearish FEG and reach up into this level here and take this low resistance liquidity. But for today, we're just focused on price moving in a direction, and as we respect bullish PD arrays, we can see here we continue to do so, then I'll be looking for price to reach up at least into this level and look for that reaction. Let's head over to oil. Multiple consecutive days here of bullish price action on the daily. This has been my target for a while now. The bearish imbalance here. Now price has reached into this level, and we've also swept previous day high. Mark out this high here. So I'll be looking for price to see if we do run lower. Interestingly, it looks like we've already respected the 50% level of the previous day's candle. So even though we've swept previous day high, price has come down, respected 50% of the previous day's candle range. So this is something I'll be watching. I'm not pushing for a bearish bias straight away, but particularly with all this displacement as we've moved higher here. It's quite a strong uptrend. So let's go down to the hourly and see what the hourly might tell us. So we're looking at change in the state of delivery through this level here. We do have displacement in this leg as well. So this is the hourly chart. We do see change in the state of delivery, currently testing that level. So if price is going to continue to move lower, then we're going to want to see price respecting this level before continuing back to these lows. Okay. Then if we react to this level again, do we continue lower? This is the area I'm interested in right now. Now this candle is just opened. We've still got 45 odd minutes to go on this candle close. So we'll be interested to see how we react to this level. In fact, I'm going to mark out the 50% of this wick because that stands out for me. This candle here also stands out for me because there's no wick to the high side. So that acts as a strong draw. So there is potential price could sweep this level and still come down lower. And with this sweep here and this bearish candle, we do have a FEG aligned, and this would be our breaker. So it's the high and the low of the same candle, which is completely fine, can be the breaker. We have a sweep into a higher time frame point of interest. So there is potential here if we respect this breaker to see price move lower. And if we do move lower, we'll be looking for price to reach down as far as here to our target area, which is the -2 to -2.5. So I'm going to run with bearish bias today based off of this and the location on the daily chart. Okay, let's move on now. We're going to have to push through this pretty quickly. All right, let's clear the chart. So we're getting a fairly strong reaction from this level here. Didn't really have any relative levels for price to be at on the daily here. Everything else is too far in the past to be looking at. So the most recent information was the sweep of the low here, and now we are getting a reaction, and price is displacing through this bearish FEG here. So I'll be looking for price to run the high, move up into this level here. So bullish for Euro futures. Moving over to gold. Okay, so gold, most recent information, price resting inside bullish FEG on the daily. Therefore, be looking for price to run higher. Keeping bias nice and simple, looking for price to move to this swing high. What I really like here, this swing high falls short of this bullish of this bearish FEG here, sorry. Okay, and I really like these setups. This for me is a strong draw and an area that we will likely react to. So once we move this price higher above this high into this bearish FEG, I would anticipate a good reaction to that level. Bullish today for gold. Moving over to Dixie, and we hit our target here. This is really cool to see. Let's clear some of this up. So we've been targeting this level, this -2 to 2.5 level for some time off this bullish breaker. And price has reached that target. And when we reach this level, we can anticipate consolidation or retracement. We are seeing retracement, and price also disrespecting this bearish FEG here. So I would be looking for price to reach to the low. Looking for price to be bearish today. All right, guys, let's jump over to GBP quickly. Similar story to EU, actually. We ran lower, most recent information, this swing low, and then we have price pushing through this bearish FEG here. So I'm going to look for price if we continue to move higher here. Looks like we are going to invalidate this bearish FEG, then I'm seeking price to reach this high. So bullish for GBP. Lastly, let's have a look at BTC. we see we got that bounce off the 50% level here. And we are increasing our chances of moving higher. Right now, price is at this high. We've put in equal highs. I'm still looking for price now to move into this region. Let's quickly look at the hourly. See if we've got a change in the state of delivery. Not just yet. Okay, so we are having a bit of a pullback. We don't have a change in the state of delivery just yet, and we are reacting off these opposing candles, so that's a good sign. If we continue to respect this level, that price will reach up to back up to the high here. So remaining bullish on BTC. All right, let's start the sign off there, guys. And just a reminder as well, the My Funded Futures Starter Plus sale is currently active till the end of January. 40% off for new users, 20% off for existing users. That's the 50K Starter Plus account, using code Jimmy, of course, to get the best discount available. Likewise with Apex, even though Apex is not running a sale right now, you can still get 50% off your accounts with code Jimmy. And lastly, guys, I want to introduce you to Trade Foundry. Trade Foundry is my Discord server. So if you want to hang out with me in there, get close to me in Trade Foundry, you'll be able to ask me as many questions as you like over there. Feel free to join. Link is in the description, and I'll be excited to see you in there. Trade Foundry is where we're going to refine strategies and forge results. So I'm very excited to start this process with you guys and invite you all to join, and look forward to seeing you in the Discord. Plenty more to come, guys. Plenty more to come. All right, guys. Have a wonderful Monday. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get back to business. Safe trading, and we will see you again tomorrow. If you want to chat, I'll see you in the Discord, guys. Bye for now.